Welcome back. Last time we talked about, do we have a quicker method to graph this linear equation? Yes. This time we're going to use a method called x-Intercept and y-Intercept. Let's quickly review x-Intercept and y-Intercept. I'm going to have a line here. And did you see this line intercepted the y-axis at this point? This point has to be 0 and a number. This is called y-intercept. Did you see this line intercepted x-axis at this point? And this point is a number and y-coordinate is 0. This is x-intercept. If you understand this, I think we can start to make a little table. Little table only has 3 columns. And where x is 0, we're going to find out what is y. Where y is 0, find out what is x. All right, we're going to calculate right here. The first one, x is 0. So we have 2 times 0 plus 3y is 12. Y is 4. So our first point is 0, 4. The next round, we're going to say this time, y is 0. So find out what is x. Y is 0 equals 12. X is 12 divided by 2, that's 6. All right, we're going to put down, oh, I did not mean to erase this, and put down x is 6. All right, we're going to come back here. We're going to start to write the points. The first point is 0, 4. I'm going to use the same color, be consistent. And the next point is 6, 0. Remember, we only need 2 points to graph a linear equation. These 2 very special points today is x-intercept, y-intercept. So coordinate plane, and y-axis, x-axis, first point 0, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our y-intercept. Next point 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I need a little bit longer. That's okay, we'll fix it. Alright, that's our 6, okay? So this is x-intercept, and this is y-intercept. And then last one, we're going to connect. Oh, let's try one more time. Okay, if you have a ruler, please use the ruler on the paper. Make it looking good. This is a method we're going to use x-intercept, y-intercept to graph a linear equation. Come back, see me again. I'm going to show you the next method in our new video. Happy learning!